Well, this is Module 46, and this is the conclusion of Mechanics of Materials Part 1. And so today's learning outcome is just to go over the course conclusion. Here was a slide from my first module, which shows the overall situation we have here. We're working with engineering mechanics courses. With my earlier courses, I looked at rigid bodies. I looked at both statics, and I had a two-part series, Introduction to Engineering Mechanics and Applications in Engineering Mechanics. And then we also looked at dynamics, where we had engineering systems in motion for both 2D and 3D dynamics. And in this course, we started a four-part series in deformable bodies, or what I call mechanics of materials. And so mechanics of materials are the foundation for all structural and machine design. We started off, as we went through these problems, with an engineering structure. We subjected it to external loads. Those loads could be axial, torsion, transverse bending, or combined loading. So far, we focused on axial loading. In my follow-on courses, we'll focus on torsional and bending loads and combined loads. When we have those external loads applied, it's going to generate internal forces and moments in our parts or engineering members or structures. And we can look at stress and strain. And we've got a real good fundamental grasp of what stress and strain is and how to deal with it from this course. And we can then look at the structural performance and decide whether it's going to be a successful design or it's going to fail. And we look at things such as deformations or deflections or yield and fracture when we talk about whether the structure is performing well or not. And so here are all the topics that we've dealt with in this course. Quite comprehensive, a real strong, firm, fundamental background if you've gotten through all these modules in this course. The follow-on course that I'll have for you is thin wall pressure vessels and torsion. So we'll focus on some torsion problems. Then there's a course on beam bending. And finally, there's a course on deflections and buckling and some combined loading and failure theories to wrap up the topic of mechanics of materials or deformable bodies or strength of materials. And so hopefully you'll continue on with me in the last three parts of this four-part series. And I'll see you then.